I'm Abigail and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have absolutely no idea how this is going to work because my Bible here is like completely falling apart. So I ordered some duct tape online. I'm going to try and fix it. So I thought I would film it, not because this is a tutorial. That's not what it is. I mean, if it works, then you can use it as a tutorial. But I have my doubts. So I thought I would just film it anyway. You know, why not? So first we need to actually get into the tape. So this tape I got ordered off Amazon. And there was loads of cute little like duct tape like designs and stuff. And I kid you not, I ordered another flower like design, but this arrived and I'm not mad about it. I quite like the design, so that's what we're gonna use. ran out of tape. And I had like half of the back done. I had the insides finished, but now I had to take one of these off to do the outside. And the inside here, again, had to take the inside out. So I think I kind of fixed it. Like, this bit's not coming out, and then this bit isn't coming out. So that's fixed, but it's just this bit here. I need it to like just go down. So I don't know what to do about that, but at least it's waterproof and the cover is back on, and we'll just have to figure out what to do with that bit, because I feel like that might be the most important part. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video of me attempting to repair my Bible. I don't really know if I made it better or worse, but it looks cute, so it's okay. Yes, I'll see you next time, my friends.